When I started YouTube, I thought I just needed to upload videos consistently, and I'd see immediate growth. But after reading YouTube Secrets by Cannell and Benji Travis, I realized building a successful channel isn't that simple. It takes much more than just hitting upload. In this video, I'll share 7 powerful strategies from the book that can change how you approach YouTube, along with actionable lessons that will help you grow your channel. These tips will help you avoid common pitfalls and finally start seeing real results. Let's dive in. Lesson 1. Courage. Overcome the fear. One of the first challenges we all face when starting on YouTube is fear. Fear of being judged, of not being good enough, of failure. The authors emphasize the importance of courage in pushing past that fear. You don't need to be an expert to start. You just need to share what you know and be willing to grow. Surround yourself with people who support your vision. It's your authentic perspective that counts. And remember, every YouTuber started exactly where you are right now. Lesson 2. Clarity. Define your purpose. Without clarity, you're just posting videos into the void. The book teaches that success comes when you know your niche, your sweet spot, where passion, proficiency, and profit meet. Ask yourself, what do you love doing? What are you good at? And what could potentially generate income? When you have answers to these questions, you'll have clarity on where to focus your content. Lesson 3. Content. Consistency with quality. You've probably heard that consistency is key, but it's not just about posting daily. It's about posting valuable content regularly. As the authors say, deliver value, not just videos. Focus on what your audience can learn, experience, or enjoy from each upload. Even if you only post once a week, make sure it's something your audience is eager to watch. Lesson 4. Community. Building loyalty. YouTube is not just a platform for broadcasting, it's a space for building a community. Engaging with your viewers is crucial. Reply to comments, ask for feedback, and create a sense of belonging. In YouTube Secrets, they recommend creating a community name for your audience to build a deeper connection. It's not just about the numbers, it's about loyalty. Lesson 5. Cash. Monetization. The smart way. Monetization doesn't happen overnight. Instead of chasing after quick gains, focus on building influence. There are multiple ways to earn money on YouTube: AdSense, affiliate marketing, and product sales, to name a few. But remember, influence always comes first. As the book says, prioritize building influence over income, and the money will follow. Lesson 6. Consistency. Hustle with purpose. Consistency isn't just about being repetitive, it's about getting 1% better with each upload. In YouTube Secrets, they recommend batch producing content so you stay ahead of your schedule. The more videos you have in the queue, the more time you'll have to focus on improving each new one. It's about consistency and progress. Lesson 7. Collaboration. Grow faster. Together. Collaboration is one of the fastest ways to grow on YouTube. Find other creators in your niche and reach out. When you collaborate, you're not only expanding your audience, but you're also learning from other creators. The key here is to offer value when you approach potential collaborators. What can you bring to the table that makes the partnership worthwhile? Now that you have the strategy, let's talk tactics. Here's how you create the perfect YouTube video. The book breaks it down into 4 core elements. The big idea. What's the overall topic of your video? The hook. How do you keep viewers watching past the first 15 seconds? The core content. Deliver the value, be it entertainment, education, or inspiration. The quick transition. End with a call to action or lead them to another video. You need to hook your viewers like fish. Do all your videos have a hook? Watch this video now to find out how to craft the perfect hook. But here's the thing. These 4 elements are just the base. You need to add spices to make your videos irresistible. Here are 8 spices that YouTube Secrets recommends to level up your content. 1. Visuals and B-roll. Don't just talk. Show. Use additional footage to illustrate your points and keep viewers visually engaged. 2. Video editing. Use jump cuts, transitions, and graphics. Keep it snappy. Nobody likes long pauses or droning on. 3. Camera presence. Get comfortable being on screen. Speak directly to your audience as if you're chatting with a friend. 4th. Preparation. Script or outline your videos beforehand. Know what you're going to say to make your points clear and concise. 5. Straightforwardness. Cut the fluff, stay on topic, and avoid unnecessary tangents that can make viewers lose interest. 6th. Humor. A little laughter goes a long way. Lighthearted jokes or playful moments can keep your audience glued, even in informational videos. 7. Sound effects. Add emphasis to your points with subtle sound effects. Just a ding or whoosh can make your videos feel more dynamic. 8. Music. Use non-copyrighted background music to set the tone, be it energetic, calming, or suspenseful. The right music enhances mood and atmosphere. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, strategy, and effort. But if you focus on these 7 strategies – courage, clarity, content, community, cash, consistency, and collaboration – you're already ahead of most creators. If you found this helpful and want a one-page summary of these key lessons, check the description for a downloadable version. Remember, your YouTube journey is a marathon, not a sprint. So stick with it, improve a little every day, and success will follow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more lessons from the world's best non-fiction books. Is there a book you'd like us to create a video lesson from? Drop a comment below, and your book suggestion might be the next video.